Listen up! Because what I am about to share is one of the most powerful and sustainable business models you can start right now and see flourish by 2026. If you've ever dreamed of building a real online business, one that doesn't just chase fleeting trends, this is for you. And the best part, it's incredibly accessible. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to invest in an expensive camera, fancy lighting, or a high-end microphone. This model is designed to be fully scalable, meaning you can grow it as big as you want. And yes, it has the potential to generate significant passive income over time. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy. It's a blueprint for a legitimate, long-term asset. So, if you're ready to put in the work for a real reward, let's dive into exactly how it works. The core idea is simple. You're going to create faceless YouTube channels. These are channels where the content is king, and you, the creator, remain anonymous. This strategy is exploding in popularity because it focuses purely on value, not personality. So, how do you actually do it? It's a 5-step process. Step 1 is the most crucial. Pick a niche. Your niche is your topic, the foundation of your entire channel. You need to choose something you're either passionate about or at least genuinely interested in, because consistency is key. Think about what people are searching for. Some proven, high-demand niches include AI tools, where you can review and showcase the latest artificial intelligence software. Another great one is the luxury lifestyle niche. Think supercars, yachts, and exclusive travel destinations. People love to dream. You can also focus on business facts, sharing interesting stories, and statistics about famous companies and entrepreneurs. Motivation is an evergreen niche that will always have an audience looking for inspiration. And of course, tech news, covering the latest gadgets, innovations, and industry updates, is always a hot topic. The key is to pick one and stick with it. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Your goal is to become the go-to source for information in your chosen area. Once you have your niche, we move to step 2, creating the scripts. Now, this used to be the most time-consuming part, but not anymore. We're going to leverage the power of AI. You'll use a tool like Chat to generate your video scripts. You can give it a topic, like top 5 AI tools for productivity, and it will draft a full script for you. Of course, you'll want to review it, edit it, and add your own unique touch to make sure it sounds natural and provides real value. But this simple step saves you countless hours of writing from scratch. Step 3 is bringing that script to life with a voice. Since you're not using your own, you'll use an AI voice generator. There are incredible tools available now that produce realistic, human-sounding voices in any style you want. Energetic, calm, authoritative, you name it. You simply copy and paste your script, choose a voice, and download the audio file. It's that easy. This completely removes the barrier of being uncomfortable with your own voice or not having professional recording equipment. Next up, step 4, the visuals. Your video needs something for people to look at. This is where you have to great options. You can use stock footage from sites like Pixabay, or other paid services. For a luxury channel, you'd find videos of private jets and mansions. For a tech channel, you'd use clips of futuristic interfaces and new gadgets. Your second option, which is becoming more and more popular, is to use AI image or video generators. Tools like Midjourney or Sora can create stunning, completely unique visuals that perfectly match your script, giving your channel a distinct and professional look. The final step, step 5, is the most important for long-term success. Upload consistently. Whether it's one video a week, 2 videos a week, or even more, you need to create a schedule and stick to it. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. It shows that you're a serious creator who is reliably providing value to your audience. This is how you build momentum and grow your subscriber base over time. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: how you make money. This model has multiple income streams. The most obvious one is YouTube AdSense. Once your channel meets the requirements for monetization, which is currently 1,000 subscribers, and for 1,000 watch hours, YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Don't underestimate this. Once you're monetized, Even getting 100,000 views a month can start to generate a serious, consistent income, but it doesn't stop there. The second income stream is affiliate links. You can partner with companies in your niche and promote their products. For example, if you have an AI tools channel, you can include affiliate links to the software you review. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This can often become even more lucrative than ad revenue. And the third stream is creating and selling your own digital products. Once you've built an audience that trusts you, you can sell them a book, an online course, or a set of templates related to your niche. This is where you can achieve true financial independence because you control the product and keep all the profit. I want to be very clear, this is not a way to get fast money. This is a real business. It requires patience, dedication, and a commitment to providing value. But if you follow these steps and stay consistent, you're building a digital asset that can pay you for years to come. This is your chance to build something real, something that lasts. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more strategies on building your online empire. See you in the next one.